In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use track changes in Microsoft Word. This feature is your best friend when you're collaborating, proofreading, or simply keeping a clear record of edits. By the end, you'll know exactly where to turn it on and what to look for, so every change is easy to see and review. Start by opening your document and heading to the Review tab along the top of the window. That's the home base for all editing and collaboration tools in Word. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or the web version, you'll find Review on the ribbon near the top, alongside tabs like Home and Insert. When you're there, you're in the right place to control how edits are tracked and displayed. Next, select Track Changes. Think of this as flipping on the recording light for your document. When it's on, Word logs every insertion, deletion, and formatting tweak as a marked revision instead of silently changing the text. You'll know it's active because the Track Changes button appears highlighted, and in many versions, a status indicator at the bottom will confirm tracking is enabled. From this point forward, edits are visually identified. Inserted text typically appears underlined or in a distinct color. Deleted text often shows as a strike-through or moves to the margin as a balloon, depending on your display settings. Formatting updates, like bolding or font changes, show up as labeled notes so you can tell exactly what changed and why. If multiple people work on the file, Word assigns different colors to each contributor, making it easy to see who did what. The way revisions appear on screen is controlled by the Markup View. Simple markup gives you a clean reading experience with a subtle red bar in the margin to indicate where changes exist, and comments and revisions can be expanded as needed. All markup reveals every edit in line or in balloons, which is perfect when you need a full audit trail. If you ever feel like changes aren't visible, double-check that you're looking at all markup rather than a simplified view. As you work, remember that Track Changes doesn't change your writing process. It just makes your edits transparent and reversible. Others can open the document, see the exact history of what's been modified, and respond with their own revisions. When you're ready to finalize later, everything is already documented and organized. That's it. Go to the Review tab, turn on Track Changes, and let Word keep a clear, professional record of your edits while you focus on great writing.